Ever seen a massive truck with a set of tires just floating? It looks like a maintenance fail, but it's actually a genius money-saving hack. These are called lift axles. When a truck is fully loaded, these wheels drop to spread the weight. It's exactly like wearing snowshoes. By spreading the pressure, the truck doesn't crush the asphalt or damage bridges. But why lift them back up? Because friction is the enemy of profit. When the truck is empty, keeping those extra tires on the ground creates drag, which destroys fuel efficiency. It also wears down expensive rubber for no reason. But here's the real secret. Many tolls charge by the number of axles touching the pavement. Lift the axle and the trip suddenly gets a lot cheaper.